Hey guys, Adam over here at McConnell Chevrolet. Wanted to make a quick video on the first 2020 mid-engine Corvette that we've gotten so far. This vehicle is gorgeous. You do have keys here, lock, unlock, remote start, pop the trunk, which is the front, pop the hood, which is in the back. You have big brakes. I don't know if you can see, but you have that metallic painted wheels. Kind of has a blue flake in them. Really, really cool. It's black exterior with Kalahari interior. Make a quick loop around. Real big rear end, and then looking through the rear window here, you can see the motor. Camera on the top there. Now to pop the door right underneath here. Door opens. You do have blind spot monitoring system. I don't know if you can see that in the side mirror. It will light up when somebody's in your blind spot. You're gonna have the Bose stereo, memory seats. Right here is how you get out. That button there, and then it lock and unlock. Windows and mirrors are right there. And then you can also, I don't know if you can see that, pop the hood, pop the trunk there. All the gadgets on the wheel. There's your transmission, park, reverse, neutral, drive, and then manual mode. So you can do the paddle shifters there on the wheel. And all the buttons right there along the side. I won't get in because I don't want to dirty the interior of this guy's brand new car. But you have the heated steering wheel, Bluetooth connection. The heads-up display, which is going to show on the windshield there. Let's pop the hood of the trunk. We'll start at the trunk here. Lift this up. You have plenty of room in there. It goes real deep. Put any kind of bags you need in there. Put my fingerprints on that bad boy. Come around to the hood. Lift this up. And then you have another storage compartment here, which has quite a bit of room, but bag golf clubs back there. 6.2 liter V8. This car is everything it's been cracked up to be. Everything they've said about this car is true. It is amazing. Right there is where you're going to put the target top. So if you remove the top, you have to see this car in person. It is absolutely amazing. Come on down. Let's put an order in for you here at McConnell Chevrolet.